Rohingya people must not be forgotten. UNOS seeks global attention, shares three proposals. Chief Advisor has sought international communities' continuous attention to the Rohingya crisis. Otherwise, he warned that it might put the entire region in trouble. Not just Bangladesh. We must pay attention, he said while speaking at a high-level discussion on the Rohingya crisis held on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly on Tuesday afternoon. New York time. Foreign Affairs Advisor, High Commissioner for Refugees (ICC), Prosecutor (IOM), Director General, Principal Coordinator on SDGs Affairs, Chief Advisor, Press Secretary, and CAS Special Assistant, among others, spoke at the event. Chief Advisor proposed to international community to revisit approach to Rohingya crisis. He said the UN Secretary General may convene an all-stakeholders conference on the Rohingya crisis. Soonest possible, the conference should review the overall situation of the crisis and suggest innovative and forward-looking way outs, he said. Secondly, he said the joint response plan, managed jointly by the UN system and Bangladesh, needs to be energized. The resource raising mechanism needs further political push in view of the sliding funding situation, he said. In this third proposal, he said the international community should seriously support the justice and accountability mechanism to address genocidal crimes committed against the Rohingya community. Eventually, the chief advisor said readdressing injustice that has been perpetrated by the military junta in Myanmar in the key to long-term peace and security, warned to take part in the discussion on Rohingya refugees led by the chief advisor of Bangladesh. This is a yearly UNGA event, but a presence and vision meant that was not business as usually, said the UNHCR chief. He said they must strive to end the Rohingya people, discrimination, statelessness, and exile. It was a very successful meeting. Everyone appreciated Bangladesh's efforts and reiterated their continuous support. Chief Advisor Press Secretary told reporters on Tuesday night. Additional Foreign Secretary, Deputy Press Secretaries, and were also present. Speaking at the event, IOM DG Amy Pop said the Rohingya people must not be forgotten. We must do more and continue to provide much needed assistance and long-term solutions, she said. At UNGA, IOM DG said they reaffirm their commitment to doing everything possible to achieve this goal. As UNGA's high-level general debate took place in New York, some of the Rohingya refugees in Bangladesh sent a message for world leaders gathered here. Don't let us down. Rohingya refugees cannot be forgotten, they said. A